Good afternoon, Ms. Ramirez. Please tell us about yourself.
Sure. Good afternoon. Have a nice day to you, Madam and Sir. I am Lani Ramirez, 34 years old, married, blessed with 3 kids. And I am undergraduate of Business Management at the Polo City Institute of Technology. And I was experienced also working in abroad last 2002 until 2000 until 2002 there in Kuwait, and then also I was experienced working there in Saudi,
How,
only 10 months.
okay. How do you manage in taking care of the children and baby?
Of course, I assist them how to take a bath, and I prepare also their foods to sterilize their bottle for feedings, and then also I will check always the diaper, and sometimes if there is sick, I will check the temperature, and if not yet enough, I will call immediately into my madam.
Okay, and what about for the children? How do you handle?
I play with them, and then I will teach them how to write, to read, to count, and then I will take care of them.
Okay. What about in elderly? Did you experience in taking care of an elderly?
No, I am not been experienced about to take good care of the older people, but I promise I will handle it and I can manage.
Okay. So, may I know what is your cooking skills?
Sure, I can. I know how to cook Filipino foods and Arabic food. About Chinese food, not too much, but I promise I want to learn how to cook Filipino Chinese dishes.
Okay. In household work, how do you do? How do you handle in cleaning the, house? Cleaning the house? Please tell me.
I I clean the house, especially I know how to clean the bathroom and also the bedrooms. I know how to change their bed sheets, and also I know how to wash their cars, and also to clean uh, all all of their house, especially to vacuum, and then all of them.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Ramirez. And please tell us what can you say about to your future employer.
Dear Madam and Sir, I am Lani. Please choose to me as one of your servant, as one of your housemaid. I promise to you that I am loyal and faithful to you, and then I promise that I do my best as one the servant of yours. I need to earn and I need to have a job right now because I have little kids. I want to help also my mother. Thank you very much. See you soon.